Local SEO is the key to success when it comes to local visibility for your restaurant. Imagine you're running the best Vietnamese restaurant in your neighborhood. But when people search for banh mi near me, your competitor shows up first, and you're nowhere to be found. That's exactly what happens to thousands of restaurants every single day. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO chef, and today I'll show you exactly what localized SEO is and why 46% of Google searches are people looking for local businesses like yours. So, what is the difference between SEO and local SEO? SEO refers to optimizing a website to improve its visibility in search engine result pages, called SERP. On the other hand, local SEO refers to optimizing a website to improve its visibility in local search results. So one is for generic, the other one is for local. So is your restaurant optimized for local SEO? If not, people will not find you. They find your competitors who offers average food but appears first on Google searches. And you are losing roughly 30 to 60 potential customers every single day. That's about 900 to a couple of grand in daily revenues lost. And that's just because Google doesn't know your restaurant exists properly online. And the crazy part, research indicates that 76% of individuals who search for local restaurants typically visit or call within 24 hours. Those are customers they're ready to hit. They're searching for a restaurant right now, and if they find your restaurant, you're gonna be the one that they will choose. So, what exactly is localized SEO for restaurants? And why is this important? Think of it like this. When you put a dish on your menu, you don't just write noodles, right? You write Vietnamese pho with slow-cooked beef broth and fresh herbs. Localized SEO or local SEO is the same thing. You're just telling Google exactly what food you make, where you are, and why people should choose you instead of competitors. It's a strategy that involves three main things. First, improving your online presence. That means ensuring your Google business profile, website, and restaurant information are consistent all over the platform and everywhere online. Second, using local keywords properly. Instead of just saying great Asian food, you say authentic Vietnamese pho downtown. Third, building what we call local citations. Those are real mention of your restaurant's name, address, and phone number on other websites like local directories and review sites. Also, you can get citations from local landmarks. The more relevant they are, the better. Here's how it actually works. When someone searches for restaurants near them, Google looks at three things: how relevant you are in their search, how close you are to them, and how well known your restaurant is online. If your localized SEO is set up properly, Google says, this restaurant is exactly what they're looking for. It's nearby and other people trust it, so that restaurant shows up first. But if you don't have localized SEO, you're invisible. Google treats you like you don't exist, even if you're serving the best banh mi in town. Now, here's what you need to start working on this today, not next month. Every day that you wait, it's another day that you're losing customers to competitors' restaurants. They might not have the best food, but have a better visibility on Google. And it gets worse. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. Google rewards restaurants that have consistently done localized SEO over time. And here's the good news. Most restaurant owners still don't understand localized SEO properly. If you start now, you can get ahead of them and stay ahead. The process isn't complicated, but it does need to be done right. You need to set up your Google business profile properly, improve your website with local keywords, and make sure your information is consistently updated across all platforms. And bonus tips: ensure that your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and uses Google Search Console to track and monitor your website performance. Before you do this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks to grow your restaurant. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.